Hi, my name is Ilya, and in this video I wanted to show you how to create an AI model to analyze a form. So what you need to do is go to AI models and then press add button. So let's call it form analysis, and it will be W-4 form. Alright, so we need to select data extraction, and there is only one option that we can do here. And now we need to load a template. This is a W-4 form. This template is standard. So what happens here is that you need to select the areas from which you want to extract the data. First name, last name, then let's say address, then maybe city, and lots of other a lot of other information. So you can also select values. Let's say here, let's call it total amount. Okay, I'm not familiar with this form, so it's just for the example. Right now, you can select all these areas, and then later on you can add more. If you are not satisfied, you can select more. So for our example, we'll stop here. Then what you need to do is press apply, and then you have a model. So now we have to configure the custom output. Custom output in that sense means that whatever information we grab from a form, we need to put it somewhere in our tool, in Asana or Monday. So let's create a custom output called form W4 output. Okay, and we need to select a model, and this is a form analysis model because we have selected different areas. So let's say first name, last name, then address, then city, and then total amount. Okay, so this is the values that we need. So now we need to select a project where we want this data to appear and then map it to a certain fields. So I'm going to select the Monday account. There is a special board that I have created called forms analysis, and then I'm just mapping this to the columns. Okay, last name, address, city, and total amount. So now what I need to do is put it into a workflow that I can use in Monday. So whenever I upload a form, or it is uploaded via forms functionality in Monday, I can analyze it and extract data and put it into fields. Okay, so let's call it forms W4 analysis. Okay, we are using a document. Then we need to use a model. In this case, it's forms analysis, and then we output this using a form W4 output. So now we have this workflow, and for instance, if we go here, we can use it in our recipe. Let's say status changes to working on it, run a workflow called form, and set the column to values, etc. Okay, so this is how you create to analyze the form, how you create a workflow and output and model to analyze forms. So now all W4 forms will be analyzed using that, and data will be extracted.